Good morning, everybody. I thought I would film a day in a life video today. And I am getting ready to go to the gym and go swimming for the first time in a month. So Ronnie is already ready. I've already had coffee this morning. I do have to release my video for today. Today is Tuesday. And I thought I would show you. You remember that bathing suit that had those things inside of it that I bought? And I said they are killer. Well, here they are. I told y'all I was going to cut them out, and I did. And now I'm going to get dressed and get my gym stuff on because I have to release that video, and then I am going to go downstairs and I need to take out all my garbages downstairs and just do a really quick tidy. Plus, I need to eat me something before I leave. So, on with the bathing suit and the gym clothes.
I also remember when they asked.
I don't know why there's a cone in the middle of the floor, but there is one.
Oh,
How's that?
Warm.
Warm?
Yeah.
Glad we beat the crowd today. This is the way we get the pool at the time that we come. It's pretty awesome. Hello, everybody. So today was the first day back in what, probably a month?
Yes, at least a month, and
Yeah.
I tell you, I can feel every bit of it. But nevertheless, you know, it was good to get back to the water. Good to just try to, you know, have a little bit of sense of normalcy. Definitely, you know,
We had pretty much the pool to ourselves.
I'm not designed to sit around too long. Because I don't sleep good if I do, so.
I know, we gotta get some exercise, so it was nice. So anyhow, we had a good day. We had some time in the hot tub. And now we're waiting on the bus, and hopefully it comes pretty decent time.
We'll find out, won't we, baby?
Yeah, we'll find out. And if you're curious where we got our mask, you see Ronnie's here is navy blue.
Very good, it's
and mine is black, obviously. And it's made out of spandex, and it's all one piece. There's not any like pull tabs or anything. And I like it because with this crease here, it doesn't sit clear up on my face. It's actually very breathable. Anyways, they came from JCPenney's. They were like $3.99 a piece, and they're made out of this spandex-like material. They're real thick. But they're soft, and for some reason, because it's spandex, it stays pretty cool on your face, don't it, honey?
Oh yeah, very cool.
And I'm going to be buying us another go-around.
Get us another extra set.
Yeah, we're going to get another pair, because I don't think our mask-wearing days are quite over. It's going to be a little while longer. There's places here that they're mandatory. They're mandatory on the bus, so... if we go anywhere, we have to have them anyways. Even if we don't have to wear them in the store, you have to wear them on the bus.
Yeah.
So, okay. All right, guys. So I just get in the door. Ronnie's in the shower, and ladies closed out upstairs for him. And I'm having me a giant cup of coffee. Look at that cream on there. That froth. I love that. I'm using hazelnut syrup this month, and it is really delightful. Very, very delightful. It's so good. So good. But anyways, I'm going to have a little bit of coffee, have just a little sit down. Sometimes waiting for the bus and riding on the bus seems forever, even though it's not. But just going to have a little bit of a relax, and then I'm going to go in the kitchen, and I had washed a bunch of dishes this morning, and I didn't get them put up, so I'm going to put those up. And tonight we're just going to have some hamburgers and french fries, or something really, really easy. I thawed the meat out today while I was gone, and we're just going to make a couple hamburger patties, and I might make a little bit of bacon to go on top to add to it. And that is what we're going to have for supper this evening. I'm hoping I'm not too tired, because honestly, I felt like I could fall asleep and take a ginormous nap on the bus on the way home. And I'm just hoping that this coffee will give me what I need. And because I really want to deep clean some things in the house. So I'm hoping to get that done. Anyhow, that is about it. It keeps looking off and on like it's going to rain, but it's in the 80s here today. Sun is shiny and it's very pretty today. So we had a perfect day to go swimming. And so that is about it on the updates. Just waiting for him to get his shower. And I'm just going to relax and have my coffee. Just going to have my coffee. So I bought these Oreos the other day when I went to Walmart, and I did not even realize what I bought. I'm going to see if I can hold this closer. Here we go. It is, you see this? Red, white, and blue layers of cream with popping candy. Well, I couldn't figure out what in the world was going on in my mouth when I was eating these today. But they're actually really, really good because they have all that cream in the middle. But very unusual with popping candy. So I've got dinner started. I've got my bacon going. And in here we've got some burgers. Just some small ones, you notice, with a lot of mushrooms. And can't wait to have that. And I feel like somebody's at my back door, but I think it's just the sunlight. Anyways, in there, ooh, there we go. In there, I've got my fries. Those are the crispy fries from Orida. And this should be really good. I'm going to have mine without bread and Heinz 57 sauce with all the mushrooms and the goodies and the bacon. And also, too, my father-in-law brought me, let me see here, some pepper cheese. And that is going to be so, so good on these. And I think I'm all fogged up. Here we go. I don't know. That might not have made it better. But anyways, I'm making dinner. Hello, everybody. I realized I did not say goodbye to you guys yesterday on the vlog. But I did want to come in here and say thank you for watching. If you guys can hear a saw in the background, it is because they are finally putting the rest of my hardwood floor in my living room. Little secret, little tiny secret. I am terrified of nail guns. I do not know why. I don't know if it's the noise or the fact that I'm partially deaf, and so if it's the feeling of it, but it literally freaks me out. And so I'm hiding in my bedroom. My husband's downstairs sitting in the chair in the living room while they're putting it in. And I said, I gotta go upstairs and work. Really? I'm not doing anything except for hiding from the nail gun. Anyways, I just got done drinking nice tea, and I just thought I would come in here and I'll show you a before, what the floor looked like. I'll put a picture in here somehow for you guys to see. What had happened, if you are new to my channel, welcome guys. Please subscribe. What happened is pastly, like way before I even moved back to West Virginia, Ronnie had a terrible leak. And basically, they had no idea that it had leaked and it had rotted the subfloor on a small section of the living room floor. So quite a few months ago, had some gentlemen come in and have to tear out a section of my hardwood floor, the section of the subflooring, and go up underneath the house, check out the damage. You're hearing Bo Bear barking outside. Check out the damage, put in all new wood, all new braces all the way across the front of the house. I'm trying to think, am I saying that right? But anyways, like braces under the house. And then had to, I'm hearing the nail gun. It's distracting me. I hate them. Anyhow, they put all new subfloor down. And they had a couple little tiny places they needed to fix this morning or this afternoon. They were late getting here. They got that done, and now they're putting in the floor. And you can hear the nail gun, and I cannot stand it at all. I cannot stand it. But it's going to be so nice to finally have that done, because I'm really looking forward to doing some of the things that I know that I want to try to do. I need to paint the living room. The ceilings need painted downstairs. I need to finish off the dining room and taking down that wallpaper. And there's some fixing to do in the kitchen. A new countertop is needing to be put in. So yeah, we have a lot to do, but that's okay, because you know what? It's just one day at a time. I was watching Old World Home today. I think the video of hers actually came out yesterday, but I was watching it today. And it was pictures of like before and after when they bought their home. And it's extraordinary to see how much work went into their house. And I really thought in the back of my mind, you know, it's not unrealistic for Ron and I to be able to do that, at least on our one floor of the house. And I'm kind of looking forward to it. I really think that if we budget smartly and think about it and cut corners, I really think we could fix this old house up. In case you guys don't know, I know a lot of you guys watch me all the time, but this house was built in 1906. And if you think about that, that means they were parking their horses out front. Can you hear that? Oh gosh, it's going to be so nice to get done in it. Anyhow, I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'm praying they get it done. I mean, like praying. I don't think they'll get the baseboards on, because we have to find them. They have never been there, and they need to be on. But the hardwood floor going down, it's going to be so nice, because then I can move my furniture where I want it in the living room, and it'll be a lot more spacious, and it'll be really nice. So I'm looking forward to that. I mean, you know, baby steps, but something's getting done. Oh my gosh. My seat. Oh, you know what? I bet you that's that compressor. My whole seat is vibrating. Anyways, I will let you go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. I know it's probably short and sweet, but thanks so much for watching and sticking with Kiddos Corral. You have a fantastic week. Bye, guys.